Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get best discount Flixbus promo code in 2025. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for Flixbus discount code, and when you click on enter you can see multiple web links. You just have to open one or two links from here, and you can see on the couponfollow.com it's 10% off, 15% off, 10%, 15%, 20%, and as long as 50 or 89% off. You just have to simply click on the show coupon code from here, and you just simply need to copy and paste it to your Flixbus official website or the cart where you want to purchase the ticket, and or you can just simply click on the ready-made Flixbus and it will automatically apply the coupon code on your cart. And you have to just simply check for 3 or 4 or 5 discount codes, and no one can tell which one will work with you. And if you go on to the grabon.in, that's the other website which offers you the discount codes like 100 rupees off and other discount codes like grab seats at rupees 525. You just simply click on the show coupon code, and the rest of the process is the same. You just have to simply copy the code and add it to your cart where you want to buy the bus ticket. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.